Good morning, everyone. This is my booth at the Market of Marion in Belleview, Florida. I have tons and tons of beautiful crystals, jewelry, tarot cards, you name it, I got it. Lots of new carvings coming in. Stop by and see me. Booth number A208. Or you can also buy from me online. I do ship within the United States. I have all kinds of tarot cards and oracle cards. These are sets for beginners. My Mother's Day gift baskets range from $45 to $75, full of crystals and jewelry and even a Mother's Day card. This is a gorgeous piece, $100. Some money agate spheres. My Hello Kitties, palm stones, hearts, pendulums, pendulum mats, chakra sets, crystal stone cards, 78 different crystals it tells you about. These are my Sugalite bracelets. This is for chronic pain, the #1 crystal for chronic pain. They are a little more expensive than my normal bracelets because they cost me more. My regular bracelets are all $8. I have tons and tons of necklaces. My new Pikachu. Gorgeous skulls. Gorgeous moss agate sphere. Sphere holders. I have 2 of them. Beautiful wands. They're $100 each. Pyramids, more Hello Kitties, Groots, moons, hearts, spheres. I have some gorgeous moss agate spheres. The red one's Mookite. I have labradorite, ruby zoisite. This one is gorgeous. Crystal ball. My athames. Right now I have 2 aquamarine trees in. They are $20 each. I have these little gift sets. Crystal grab bags. I do custom baskets too. I'll give you a deal on a basket. We'll design it together. Gorgeous skulls, gorgeous large towers, trolls, more Groots, little Pokemons with amethyst, and my awesome dragon heads. 2 wands. Those are $25 each. Beautiful moss agate towers. Lots of tumbled stones. I have lots of worry stones. The big ones are $8 each. Little ones are $5 each. Lots of mini mushrooms. They're $3 each. Then I got selenite charging bowls, 6-inch, for $30. All right, guys, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed my video. You see anything you like, contact me. These are my $40 grab bags. You get some amazing stuff. Bye-bye.